I gotta get it. Drive slow.
Oh, share it, please. Share it, please.
It's not open. Heading to the airport. Aeroportu. That was a great week. California, thank you for having us.
Don't want to talk about it.
Don't want to talk about it. Goodbye. No words.
No words, no last words. Just bitter.
It's bitter. Yeah.
Just pull it.
And into the airport.
Probably Ringo.
Our Uber driver Ringo. He's staying a little bit longer.
Do you need a guide?
But yeah.
Do you need a guide?
Flight's at what, 1:30?
110.
1:10?
I'll do it.
And we'll be in the city. We'll be in the GTA at 8:30.
24 minutes.
8:52. I gotta get it. Drive slow.
Oh, share it, please. Share it, please.
The LAPD.
It's a shithole, remember?
People don't even know why. They stay.
Every season. There's no season change.
Okay. So you, what do you mean? Okay, you can only use one.
Oh yeah.
So one and one guest? Yeah, okay, we could use this. Yeah, you're not allowed to use multiple cards.
Oh no. You're all set. Scanning. Oh wait.
Jason, and I need to see your boarding card.
Let's try in the center. Yeah. Yes. Here you go. Perfect. You're all set.
Thank you.
We're just chilling at the lounge. Got what, 3 hours to kill? The guys are getting coffee, food, whatever. They're over there. They're all down there. We board at 1:10 and then we arrive in Toronto around 9 p.m. Yeah, vacation's over. Had a great time here. So, yeah, to the next vacation. An hour and 20 minutes left. Sitting around. So far so good. Here's the lunch. Alphabet soup. Haven't had that for a while. What's going on? Oh man. Chris is still looking for his shoes. Need the fake ones. Alright. LA cost me 128 gigs of video. Another J playing last minute.
Busy.
Clashing.
My last few games before.
Okay, let me help you.
Fly.
Yeah, we're done. We're on the plane. It's getting real. It's real. It's too real. Home time. Heading home. I met Sandy. Sandy's sitting up in front. Over there. Chris is all the way up in the front. Because he's too douche to sit back here with us. Too good. But bye bye. Bye bye LA. Bye bye LA.
Watch me lose.
Are we gonna get the win? Are we gonna get the win?
This is really an ad for Clash Royale.
Are we gonna win?
I'm like one hard rider away from losing.
Uh oh, hard rider.
Oh, pull me away. on that note, good game.
Good game. Match over.
Boo.
Alright, they're pushing everyone off the plane now. Thank you, Ron and Fawn, for the hospitality.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We will see you next year with your next renovation. And hopefully I'll be able to stop supping.
Proper supper.
Proper supping. That's supping on the side. Alright, see ya.
Flight transfer doors for departure, please. Everything we learn on the track, we put into your tires. So you trust Continental, no matter what you drive. Continental Tire.
For your safety and comfort, we ask that you pay attention to this short video.
Ladies and gentlemen, captain's turn on the seatbelt sign. It's expecting some turbulence up ahead. We ask you to return to your seats, please, and ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Thank you.
Made it home. Waiting to deboard. You happy?
Oh man,
You look so happy to get home.
I love it. I miss my internet.
Oh, God.
The only thing I miss.
Alright, made it home. Good trip.
It was good.
Good
It was
trip, Chris.
successful. Chris didn't die.
Chris didn't die. Alright, happy birthday, Chris. See ya.
Never did the CJ's photo he sent.
What was that? Not even check yet.
It's a sunset.
That's here. Alright, way back at home.
Back home.
Guys, got it right off the deeds. Chris, not too happy.
1 year older.
1 year older. Great week.
After a whole birth week.
Oh, birth week.
It wasn't even your birthday when you
Oh, damn. Here we go.
Here we
Oh,
go again.
here we go.
And then it goes into September? Come on.
Rollover, rollover.
That was August. This is
Oh,
September
man.
now. This is,
It still counts.
you know,
Still-
Ringo's still he's LA.
He's just getting on the plane now, right? 10 o'clock?
Not even. Well, 10. It's 10 his time.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, right?
10 his time.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
So you got another 3 hours.
Because he's doing Red Eye to Washington or something.
Yeah, right on.
He ghosted on us, man.
No, he ghosted on him.
He picked the wrong flight. Anyways. We are back waiting for my sister to come pick us up, and then that's it. Vacation's over. All right. See ya.